RX, the exceptionally economical loading and forage transport wagons from KRONE, the professional choice for agricultural operators and contractors. With the new OptiGrass high-performance cutting unit, these harvest specialists now cut even shorter. KRONE OptiGrass is the key to the best possible forage quality. Neat and exact cutting, as low as 28mm in length, and optimum forage texture thanks to gentle and homogeneous conditioning from the first to the last stalk. Output, cut and consumption are optimum with OptiGrass. The RX shortcut loading and forage transport wagon is available in 3 different sizes, from 33 to 40 cubic meters, either with or without discharge rollers. With the new cutting unit, you can choose between equipment versions OptiGrass 28 and OptiGrass 37. This makes cutting lengths of 28 or 37mm possible. The core element of the new RX series is the cutting unit. The entire 195 centimeters of conveying width ensures perfect utilization of the loading space, and the rotor diameter of 88 centimeters guarantees an enormous output capacity for these harvesting professionals. The shear cut principle is well known and standard for KRONE. The blades, positioned on the conveyor holding surfaces, ensure an exact pulling cut, which saves energy and preserves forage texture. Wide conveyor holding surfaces made of extremely rugged case-hardening steel not only ensure a long service life for the rotor, but also handle forage very gently without mashing it. The outer 22 centimeters of the integral rotor are equipped with augers, which actively convey crops to the center. Thanks to the interaction with the KRONE split-cut system, no uncut stalks pass through the RX, even in the edge area of the rotor. To ensure this, the crop flow on the outermost blade is split up and conveyed to the front with clearing tines. Baffle plates guide the material centered to the rotor, where it is then cut again. Split cut stands for exact cutting quality along the entire width. The large rotor guarantees maximum throughput. This is made possible by the planetary gearbox installed in the rotor. The belt drive concept of the KRONE power belt transfers PTO shaft output up to 360 horsepower and allows for high throughput. The power belt drive absorbs peak loads and features impressive quiet running and especially low wear. The entire drivetrain is secured with 2,500 Newton meters. The belt pulley concept is a unique feature on the loading and forage transport wagon market. Both belt pulleys on the cutting rotor can be replaced quickly and easily. With a rotational speed of 43 revolutions per minute for voluminous swaths in spring, or 36 revolutions per minute with weak growth in the late cut, you can respond flexibly to the forage quantity. This guarantees optimum cutting quality under all harvesting conditions. The KRONE Easy Flow pickup ensures perfect interaction between forage intake and the cutting rotor. The uncontrolled pickup takes in forage 2.12 meters in width. The coiled tine arrangement pulls the forage along the full width of the cutting rotor. The hydraulic drive ensures optimum coordination between the tine speed and rotor speed to adapt to all harvesting conditions. For perfect ground adjustment, the pickup has a floating suspension with electrostatic relief. The rear guide wheels, a standard feature, ensure ideal ground tracking, even in difficult harvesting conditions. The KRONE OptiGrass cutting unit offers incomparable comfort. For easy blade changing, the blade cassette swings to the left, out of the side of the vehicle. Central locking makes it easy and quick to remove the blades. The blades are protected individually as a standard feature. The RX also features blade group switching. With the KRONE Speed Sharp option, you can automatically sharpen 40 or 54 blades respectively in less than 5 minutes, at a perfect angle and with constant contact pressure. A perfect sharpening process for ideal forage quality. The scrapper conveyor of the RX is lowered 35 cm down to the rotor with large round steel chains and solid square tubes. This reduces the conveying height and saves energy. To adapt to different harvesting conditions, the driver of the RX 370 and RX 400 can adjust the pivoting front wall from the cabin. This ensures ideal pre-compression, the basis for perfect cutting quality. The front wall swings forward towards the end of the loading process to make room for an additional 4 cubic meters of loading volume. On the other hand, the RX 330 works with a rigid front wall. With the streamlined hydraulic articulated drawbar, RX loading and forage transport wagons are now even more versatile. Sward protection is an important basis for the next harvest. The determining factor for this is the right running gear. Because of this, a mechanical suspension is built into the RX 330 and 370 in the standard version. For the RX 400, a hydraulic axle assembly is standard, also optionally available for the RX 330 and 370. Large tyres up to 30.5 inches and intelligent self-steering or forced steering protect your sward and reduce wear. Extensive additional equipment, including the loading space cover or a weighing device, make the KRONE RX the all-round harvesting professional. The integrated silage additives unit, with a 200L capacity and 4 flat stream nozzles, ensures optimum preservation of your forage. The premium LED lighting package is a standard feature of the RX. Whether you are in the field or inside for maintenance, the RX turns night into day. The operation device is based on ISOBUS. The customer can choose which operation device meets his requirements. Automatic functions are optionally available for even more convenient handling. KRONE RX with OptiGrass for the best cutting quality, optimum texture, and optimum forage. Outside of the grassland season, the KRONE RX is also an ideal aid for transporting agricultural goods.